Okay, now check this out. Samir Samath, the president of Android ecosystem at Google, has tweeted saying scanning documents from a phone is a pain. Glad to see the new document scanning experience in Google Drive on Android is rolling out. Yes, now we have the enhanced scanning document feature within Google Drive application. It was there before, but now it has been enhanced and some new features have been added. And it's very important for you guys to know all these new features and enhancements. So in today's video, we are going to take a look at them. This will help you scan better. They have added something called Smart Batch Scanning. Scan multiple pages at once, automatically splits them into separate documents. Duplicate detection is now available. Auto best frame feature, and 100% on-device processing. This is what he has mentioned. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Let's open Google Drive application, and here we will have to tap on the plus button. We have got scan button here, tap on that, and it opens up the camera. We have got a slightly different interface. You can see an additional button here, and this scan button here, the capture button, has gotten bigger compared to the previous version. If you want to stop the auto scan, you can tap on this. To pause that auto scan, it says auto scanning off. And if you want to resume it, you can auto scan the documents by resuming this button. Now let's go ahead and scan some documents. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep 3 different documents, 1, 2, and 3. Now let me point the camera on all 3 documents here. You can see instantly it is recognizing all the documents and it will be able to scan all of them together. Let me hold this in landscape mode. And now let me open the auto scan option here. Let me tap on the auto scan. Look at that. It has scanned all the 3 documents simultaneously. We've got 1, 2, and 3 documents together. For some reason, it did not apply the filter for these 2 documents. Only for this document, it has applied filter. Maybe it's still in works. But yeah, all the 3 documents are simultaneously scanned and all 3 are available right over here. And if it did not apply the filters automatically, tap on filters and you can select the filter that you want and just tap on apply. And when you scroll towards the right, you have got more editing options. We have got clean button and crop and rotate button. And we also have a retake page over here. Just in case if you want to retake that particular document, you can do that as well. And when you hit on next, it will directly take you to this page where you can save this as JPG or PDF. I will have to upload this to Drive. And once it's complete, you can open it and you can see all these 3 documents on a single PDF file, which is fantastic. Now let's check out the second feature, duplicate detection. Let's scan these documents multiple times. Let's say I scan the same document. You can see it says page already scanned. It also shows you that check mark here that this page has already been scanned. That is very useful because you will not be duplicating the pages again and again. It will clearly show that this page has already been scanned and it will also show you this check mark there. That is the second feature. The next one is auto best frame. Automatically swap out blurry scans for the highest quality frame available. That happens automatically. And 100% on-device processing, lightning fast performance, and offline availability and total data privacy. Now for offline availability, of course, once you scan the document, you will have to go to the document tab and tap on the 3-dot button and select this option, make available offline. Now the file will be made available offline. That is how you do it. Let's turn off the internet here and check if that is available. Yep. You can see the rest of the files are not available offline, but the file that you just made available offline is showing up right over here. I'll be able to open that specific document by tapping on that. These are some of the new features and enhancements as far as the document scanning is concerned within Google Drive. Now we do have the scanning document on Samsung Galaxy phones 1 UI 8.5. That's a new feature. When you have document, it will automatically show you the scan button, but this cannot scan multiple different items at the same time and segregate it. You can see I can scan all of them together, but not individually. Check that out. It is scanning all these 3 and putting it on one single page. But Google Drive's new scanning feature is just incredible. Do check it out and let me know your thoughts. Drop a comment. And if this video was useful, do hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks for your Galaxy phones or any other Android phones. That's all I have here. If you're interested in this beautiful wallpaper, the Snapdragon wallpaper, you can go ahead and open the Walrus wallpaper application, go to premium section and scroll down. You will see Snapdragon wallpapers right over here, or you can go to search bar on the Walrus application and search for Snapdragon. You'll be able to see a couple of wallpapers there. Do check out the Walrus wallpaper application. There are some beautiful wallpapers available on this app. You are going to love it. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.